In the upcoming parts, you'll learn how to add authentication to your Angular application. But before we get started, it's important to know what authentication is. Authentication is a fundamental concept in web development, and its importance cannot be overstated. In the context of Angular, understanding authentication is essential because it plays a pivotal role in ensuring the security and integrity of a web application. Per definition, authentication is the process of verifying the identity of the users. Now, this can be done using username and password combinations, tokens, API keys, or other mechanisms like using your social media profiles like Google, Twitter, etc. As a developer, you can create your own custom authentication system, or you can use third-party ones. Throughout this course, you'll learn how to use Auth0, which is a third-party authentication and authorization platform. In the next parts, you'll learn how to set up the Auth0 account. Then next, you'll set up Auth0 in an Angular app. You'll learn how to update the UI by adding a login and logout button and also the profile pop-up. And then you'll learn how to use the Auth0 conditional data or view rendering. You'll learn how to add an auth guard to secure routes in an Angular app. And then by the end, you'll learn how to create a not authorized page where you're going to redirect the users if the users are trying to access a page where they need to be authenticated. So, let's get started.